So students, now let's start activity 5.4, volume of a cylinder. So what is volume of a cylinder? So volume of a cylinder is the density or capacity of a cylinder. We can also say that how much a cylinder can occupy a material is known as density of the cylinder, is known as the volume of a cylinder. So the volume of a cylinder is the density or the capacity of a cylinder. We can also say that amount of material that a cylinder can occupy defines volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h, where r is the radius and h is the height of cylinder. So students, our objective for the given activity is to give a suggestive demonstration of the formula for the volume of a right circular cylinder in terms of its height h and radius r of the base circle. So our procedure for the given activity is: step 1, take a cylinder of plastic clay of radius r and height h. So suppose this is our cylinder, and the radius of this cylinder is r, h. Now step 2, cut the cylinder into 8 equal sectoral pieces. Now cut the cylinder into 8 equal sectoral pieces. This way, we have cut the cylinder into 8 equal sectoral pieces. Now step 3, paint 4 pieces red and 4 pieces yellow. Let's shade them. The red ones are the shaded ones and yellow ones are the unshaded ones. In this way we have shaded sectors of red color and unshaded sectors of yellow color. Now place these sectoral pieces alternatively to form a cuboid. So first placing the first sector, that is the shaded sector, then again shaded sector, again then unshaded, now next shaded sector, unshaded sector, and at last the last shaded sector, that is the fourth unshaded sector. In this way we have placed shaded and unshaded sectors, that is 4 shaded and 4 unshaded, that is red and yellow sectors alternatively to form a cuboid, where this height of the cuboid is h, this is radius r, and pi r. So the length is pi r, breadth is r, and height is h of the given cuboid. So students, our observation for the given activity is the arrangement of cutout sectors form a cuboid. As you can see here, this is a cuboid. Now, second observation, the height of the cuboid so formed is equal to height of the cylinder, equals to h. Third, the breadth of the cuboid is equal to radius of cylinder. Equals to r, that is the breadth is r, radius of the cylinder. So the observation 4 is the length of the cuboid is equal to half the circumference of base of cylinder, which is equal to half 2 pi r equals to pi r. So the length becomes pi r. Similarly, our observation 5 becomes volume of the cylinder is equal to volume of the cuboid, which is equal to length into breadth into height. So the length is pi r into breadth is r and height is h. So our volume becomes pi r square h. So this is the volume of the cylinder. So the volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cuboid, and volume of cuboid is pi r square h. So we can say the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h.